Hey everyone, today I'm doing a unboxing for Byoutiful Cosmetics.
Just received my Byoutiful cosmetics and I am so obsessed with this packaging. Like, do you guys see how cute that is? And then they sent me a bunch of liners and they were absolutely gorgeous. Cannot wait to try them out. So let's get into this box. Oh my gosh, it's like a birthday party in a box. And I absolutely love their thank you card. Like, everything about this company is like just so perfect to me. Like, I just love their branding. It's so cute. And I have fun unboxing this, as you can see. I wasn't quite sure what this was, but then when I finally got it open, I was like, wow, like I've never seen any lashes in a mirror compact like that. And I was like so in love.
That
It's
is so
super cute, and the lashes were called Elegant, I believe. And yeah, so these are all of the lip glosses and lipsticks that they have. Super cute packaging. Like, look at the packaging that the lip gloss comes in. It's like, it's perfect. It's just so cute. I love cute things. So let's see what's in this pouch. OMG, makeup brushes. I needed a new set, so this is like a gift from heaven. I love them. And they're pink, one of my favorite colors, of course. Oh, also a cute little eyelash applier. So cute. I love that color also. Rose gold is like one of my second favorite colors. And let's get into this palette, okay?
Look at the packaging once again. Amazing. So pretty. I love how they're like natural colors and they're not like too bright or crazy, because I'm so like a natural person. I don't really do crazy makeup, but yeah, I'm obsessed. So yeah, definitely recommend this company, Byoutiful. You can find them on Instagram, Facebook, and I will put the description and the link in my bio. I mean, in the description, not my bio. This is not Instagram. But overall, I give this company a 20 out of 10 because they were amazing, fast shipping, great products, and just an overall amazing customer experience. Can't wait to try these
Like
on
and
my
subscribe for
face.
more. Thank you for watching.